Wish you very good morning kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself Anshunaram from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Kids, in the earlier class we have learnt about seasons. How many seasons we have learnt? We have learnt 4 seasons. Name them. Okay, speak with me. Winter, summer, rainy and spring. Again speak with me. Winter, summer, rainy and spring. So now today we will learn some question answers based on seasons. So now open your general awareness workbook, page number 74 and 75. Mention the date and classwork on the top. Sharp your pencil and first we will read the question, then we will write the answer. So kids, read with me. NAME, name. TWO, two. ITEMS, items. Name 2 items. WHICH, which. YOU, LIKE, like. INN. Name 2 items which you like in. SUMMER, summer. SEASON, season. Name 2 items which you like in summer season. WINTER, winter. SEASON, season, winter season. Kids, what we will write here? We will write 2 items which we like in summer season and winter season. So kids, as you all know, summer is the hottest season of the year. So what we love to have in summer season? We love to have fruits, we love to have ice creams, we love to have juice also, we love to have cold drinks also, right? So we will write here 2 items which we like in summer season. So first item we will write mango. You like mango in summer season, right? So we will write here mango. Who will tell me the spelling of mango, kids? Think, give me fast answer. Who will tell me? What is the spelling of mango? Right, MANGO, mango. Very good. MANGO, mango. So we will write here the spelling of mango. Make here capital cursive MANGO. MANGO. What we like in summer season? We like mango. MANGO. And another thing which we like in summer season, it is your favorite. What is this? This is ice cream. We love to have ice cream in summer season. So what is the spelling of ice cream? ICE, CREAM, cream. Speak with me, kids. ICEICREAM, cream. So we will write here the spelling of ice cream. So first we will write capital cursive I, then ICE, eyes. Then make a dash. CREAM, cream. CREAM, cream, ice cream. Very good. So now what we like in summer season? We like mango and ice cream. Kids, what we like in winter season? We like hot items like hot milk and hot soup. So we will write here hot milk and hot soup. So what is the spelling of hot? HOT, hot. What is the spelling of milk? MILK, milk. So we will write here the spelling of hot milk. So write here capital cursive HOT. Speak with me, kids. HOT, hot. MILK, milk. Hot milk. Very good, kids. Hot milk. Now the next thing which we like in winter season is hot soup, right? So we will write here capital cursive H, H-O-T, hot. What is the spelling of soup, kids? S-O-U-P, soup. Speak with me. S-O-U-P, soup. S-O-U-P, soup. So now we will revise this answer again. Name two items which you like in summer season. What we like in summer season? We like mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, and ice cream, I-C-E, C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream. Now in winter season what we like? We like hot milk, H-O-T, hot, M-I-L-K, milk, hot milk. We like hot soup also, H-O-T, hot, S-O-U-P, soup, hot soup. Now move to the next question, kids. W-H-A-T, what? D-O, do, Y-O-U, what do you? W-E-A-R, where, O and on, a, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, D-A-Y, day. So the question is, what do you wear on a rainy day? What do you wear on a rainy day? I wear raincoat, gumboots on a rainy day. So now we will write the answer here. So let's start with me. Write here capital cursive I, W-E-A-R, wear. I wear raincoat, R-A-I-N, rain. What is the spelling of rain, kids? R-A-I-N, rain. What is the spelling of coat? C-O-A-T, coat. I wear raincoat. And what is the spelling of and, kids? A-N-D, A-N-D, and I wear raincoat and gumboots. What is the spelling of gumboots, kids? G-U-M, gum, G-U-M, gum. What is the spelling of boots? B-O-O-T-S. So we will write here B-O-O-T-S. I wear raincoat and gumboots on. When we wear raincoats and gumboots, we wear raincoats and gumboots on a rainy day. A rainy day. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. D-A-Y, day. What is the spelling of day? D-A-Y, day. So kids, let's revise this answer again. What do you wear on a rainy day? What do you wear, kids? I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. I wear raincoats and gum boots on a rainy day. So kids, do practice in your general awareness workbook, page number 74, 75, 76 and 77, and learn these question answers. Learn the previous topics also. Bye bye. Have a good day.